everyone, it's Jack's Gaming and welcome back to my bedroom renovation part 26. This one I'm going to be involving underneath my bed because if you don't know... Oh, hang on, let me show that. Yeah, I'm not showing that one off yet. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you my drawers underneath here because recently I got a new bed. Yep, this is my new bed. I've already done a video on it. But obviously I've got drawers underneath it now. And it's going to be full of my stuff. And the last week or so, I've been busy, you know, putting things in it. So I'm going to be showing you. Now, this one, you know, doesn't have gadgets in it. It has clothes. So, it has my caps. As you can see in here, I've put all them in there. And then I've put just some, you know, odd jobby clothes things. Like, I've got jumpers in here. What else have we got? I think my Derek Dooley kit's in there and all of that. So I'm not going to show you that too much because it is quite boring. But yeah, that's that one. So that one's going to be full of clothes and caps and jumpers and all that sort of thing. And then this one is the more exciting one because in this one, I can't obviously open it too far. But in this one, you can see that I've put some, yeah, this one's going to be like full of gadgets and stuff. So, you know, like, yeah, just like me, you know, my gadgety things. So you can see so far, there's quite a lot of things in there. So you can see my 4K cameras in there, my little Game Boy thing, one of my cameras, my portable monitors there, the 15.6 inch one. There's some wires in there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you a full brief anyway, but yeah, you can see that's what's underneath there. There's some books in there. There's a random frisbee in there. Let me see what else. I can't really see it because there's just so much stuff. But yeah, you can see there's quite a lot in there. Yeah. Oh yeah, my Steam Deck is in there somewhere as well. Yeah, I know this black case here. Yeah, that's in there as well. So yeah, I'll just put some random objects in here, and there will be more added in here because I'm not done with it yet because I've still got more gadgets to add yet. So I will be adding all of them. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. By the way, I've been filling all them up and yeah. So yeah, so that is my drawers. I thought I'd show you what's under there. Yeah, most things are gadgets. Yeah, and there's quite a few wires in here as well, by the way. You know, like spare, you know, lots of spare wires and stuff like that in there as well. But yeah, there'll be more to come. So in a later video, I don't even know which one that will be. I'll show you it up to date, but that's what it looks like so far. The only problem is I can't open it so far up because of my bedside cabinet. That is only the one problem, but at least we can still get into it if we move it. So that's good. That's a good thing. But yeah, so yeah, that is underneath my drawers. Yeah, so I've just put some stuff under there and yeah, yeah, that is that. Yeah, apart from that, that is pretty much it. There's not really much else to show you in this one. Yeah, this one's quite a simple one. Not really much to show off, but yeah, that is it. This is kind of the main reason why I wanted a bed with drawers, just because I could put stuff underneath it. So at least that's a good thing, and it's good that I've got two drawers actually and not one, because that means one's obviously it's got clothes in it, and then obviously the other one's got all my gadgets in it. So I'm actually glad it's kind of worked out, because the plan, this was kind of going to be the original plan. I was meant to be having gadgets in both of the drawers, but it turned out that I had lots and lots of clothes, and I couldn't fit them all in my drawer. That was another problem. So I had to kind of change my mind and put some in there. That's what I had to do. So that's what I've had to do, by the way. I know it's a pain, but yeah, that's what I've had to do, I'm afraid. But you know, it's just what it is. And yeah, so that's what I've had to do. Yeah, that is it, guys. So yeah, that's underneath my drills. I might as well show you again. I know that I showed you in the last video, but this is this is just a bonus. Yeah, this is just a bonus fan that's in here. It won't be in here. It won't be in here permanently. It's just obviously because it's been red hot for the last couple of days, so that's the reason why I've added this in here. But it's not really part of the renovation because it won't be it won't be in here like all the time. So I just thought I'd show you it. It's quite a good fan actually as well. It's got some like random like buttons down there as well where you can sort of mess about with it, and yeah. So yeah, that is that. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Yeah. Obviously, it is going to be a little while until these are out. They're not going to be out until Monday, by the way. The main reason why for that is because I've got a busy weekend, and I can't really get them out then. So I'm planning to get them both out on Monday. This is obviously part 26, and then obviously the other one is part 25. So yeah, they won't be out. Yeah, they won't be out till next week, I'm afraid. So obviously we're gonna have to wait for a couple of days, but yeah, obviously I do apologise for that. I don't even know when my next one's gonna be. I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing next. If I've got something in mind, I will do it again. But obviously, I think we are actually getting pretty close to the end of the series now. I know there is still more to do, and all of that. But yeah, we are actually getting pretty much close to the end of the series now. And it has been a really good series. I have actually really enjoyed doing it. But yeah, we are getting, ever closer to the, to that finish line. So there'll be at least a few more. And then that'll be it. So make sure you stay around for them. So if you've not seen the full playlist of this, I recommend you going to have a look and checking out all the ones I've done, because there is some really interesting ones. So I recommend you doing that. But anyway, that is the end of this one. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.